Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to day 4 of our 30-day SketchUp course. Today we will learn how to use group and components. These tools are very useful for organizing your models. Whether you are making furniture, a room, or a full house, these tools will help a lot. Before we start, please take a second to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And yes, I have created a PDF file of day 4 notes. If you want it, just comment below, send me day 4 notes. Let's say you created a table using SketchUp tools. First of all, group. Let's say you created a table using SketchUp tools. Now you want to move it, but other parts start getting stuck. Why? Because everything in SketchUp sticks together. So, but other parts also. You need to move this. To solve this, we use a groups. Just select the full object, right click, choose make a group. Now, this object becomes one unit. It wouldn't stick to other geometry. You can move it, copy it, and scale it easily. Use groups when you are making things like walls, floor, or a single furniture piece. And the other one is component. Now let's learn about components. This is like a group but more powerful. Use components when you want to repeat the same item many times, like windows, doors, chairs, or tiles. Select your object. Select this object. Select your object. Right click. Choose make a component. Give name. Then create. Now copy and paste it whenever needed. Okay. The best part, if you edit one component, all other copies will be updated automatically. This saves a lot of time. Use group when you want to make one single item like a table, bed, or wall. Use component when the item will be repeated like doors, windows, or columns. If you want to edit only one, use group. If you want to edit all at once, use component. Today you learn two important things in SketchUp. Group keeps one object separate from others. Component lets you reuse objects and edit all copies together. These tools help make your model clean, fast, and easy to work with. I have made a PDF file of day 4 notes. If you want it, just comment, send me day 4 notes. Tomorrow we will learn how to use move, rotate, and scale tools, which are used in every SketchUp project. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you on day 5, inshallah.